Hey everybody, it's Chocolate Chris back with another review. This time it's a food review. So you guys know occasionally I will review, really I'll review any item that, kind of tickles my fancy. But I did the Taco Bell review, the breakfast, that was my last food review. This time I am going to review something that we all love. It is currently dripping. It is a blizzard. Yeah. Ooh. So now as the months get hot, as it starts to get a little hot outside, we all want something, a cool treat. And um, Dairy Queen, sorry, Dairy Queen has a new blizzard, and it is actually the blizzard of the month. It is the Cake Confetti Blizzard. So this has actually been sitting for a while, so forgive all the drips, but um, I really wanted to just take this opportunity to let you guys know how good it is. So it has chunks of cake in it, yellow cake, and also it has sprinkles. So other than that, it's vanilla. I think all blizzards kind of have that vanilla ice cream base and the chunks of cake and the sprinkles. Usually I'm not a sprinkles type of girl. I'm not someone that has to have sprinkles on her cupcakes or sprinkles, anything, ice cream. But it works for some reason. It just makes you happy. So, this blizzard is a small. I'm definitely not someone who can eat a large blizzard like my husband, but here I go. So, I believe the small is about $3.49 is the price point, and it's delicious. I say try it. They give you these little nifty long spoons so you can eat your blizzard. Mmm.